We all love making things, whether it's grandma knitting in the rocker, children building with blocks, or a millennial like me making furniture and restoring rusty machinery. There's something deeply satisfying and richly human about making things by hand. In some shadowed sense, it's a reflection of who we are as created beings. It started for me with hand tools, well-tuned hand planes recovered from rusty bins at auctions and yard sales, and then making a shadow box after my grandfather died, modeled after the one he had above his fireplace. I was hooked. My skills grew little by little as I accumulated better tools to do the job, recovering them from their previous state. There's nothing like a well-designed piece of furniture made with well-designed tools, mortise and tenons, dovetails, a well-smoothed top. The better I got, the more I wanted better machines to do the work, and I found that the old machines did the work like none other. Rockwell, Delta, powermatic. Underneath that rust were gems made for years of use, robust designs, aesthetic beauty, reflecting an era of things well made, an era we all long to recover, and things we long to recover. So as my skills grew, I started to take old table saws like this and turn them into this, shapers like this, and restore them to this. Powermatic 72s and Powermatic 66s and Delta Unisaws and joiners and planers and more Delta Unisaws. There's something about taking these old tools and restoring them to new life. So now I do both, fine furniture and vintage machinery. And I hope this channel can help you do both as well. I hope we can somehow recover the lost skills that are dying. The old way of passing them down through apprenticeships or families is being lost. We need to recover it somehow. So hopefully this channel can help us do exactly that. I'd love to hear from you if there's anything we can do to help you along the way, or you can do to offer this channel or this community of sorts that we're trying to build. I'd much rather be doing this in person, but this might be the best we can do in our day and age. So I ask you to join me in creating and recreating, tapping into those deep desires. My name is Josh Pauling, and this is Daddy's Workshop at the Carolinas, fine furniture and vintage machinery.